Good morning students, myself Sumit Mehta welcomes you for another mathematics lecture of chapter 2 class 9 polynomials. Today we are going to solve question number 5th part 1st and part 2nd by using the identity a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus 2 times bc plus 2 times ca is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. Let us start the first part. I am writing the statement which I have to factorize. Our statement is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. You first have to look the last three terms. In the last three terms, 12 is a constant, minus 24 is a constant, minus 16 is a constant, and the variables are x, y, yz, xz. Students, you first look where there is negative signs. The negative signs are with the variables yz and xz. First take out the common variable. The common variable with the negative sign present in this question is z. So we can mark as minus z. We have to do this in a rough one. This is the statement. I just identify by which two variables I got the negative sign. I got the negative sign with the variable z. Now I start the question. 4x square can be easily written as 2x whole square. This works as our a. 9y square is a square of 3y. This works as our b. And 16z square is a square of 4z. This works as our c. Now identify a, b, c. Now write the formula. A square plus b square plus c square is equal to 2ab. A is our 2x and b is our 3y. You can easily see that 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12xy. This comes out this. Next, plus 2bc. B is our 3y and c is our. I mark z as minus, so I can write this as minus 4z. And the last point is minus 16xz. It can be written as plus 2ca. C is our minus 4z and a is our 2x. This can be written in this way. Now, this becomes a formula of. Now, our z is negative, so I can also put this minus in this bracket. I already told you minus 4z square is same as 4z square, which comes out to be 16z square. So it becomes a plus b minus 4z whole square. Now I can break it in this way. 2x plus 3y minus 4z, 2x plus 3y minus 4z. This is our answer. I can explain it you again. First, you must be familiar with this identity. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. Now, when we have to factorize 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz, you can easily see that in the last two terms you find negative sign, and which variable is common? The common variable is z. It means in this factorization, whenever you write, you have to write z, you put minus in front of that. Now 4x square is a square of 2x, 9y square is a square of 3y, and 16z square is a square of 4z. But I put minus in this bracket because of this reason. Because minus is common in these last two terms. Now this is our a, this is our B, this is our C. Now write it in the form A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB. I can write 2AB, 2BC, BC multiply with 2, 2CA, 2CA. Then it becomes a formula of A plus B plus C whole square. Now I can break it. When there is a whole square, means to say that when you have given x square, you can easily write it x into x. This is your factors. So I can explain you the another part. Again, we use the same technique to solve or making the factors of the second part. Now let us start with the question. Our second part is 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 under root 2 xy plus 4 under root 2 yz minus 8zx. Now first thing comes first, minus sign in the last three terms are given with xy zx variable. Our common variable here is x, so I always write in these factors x as minus x, because in these two terms x variable is common and minus in front of that, it means I have to write x as minus x. And students, you must know this, under root 2 square is 2 and 2 root 2 square is 8. I explain you, 2 root 2 square means we have to square both these terms. 2 square multiply under root 2 square, so it comes out to be 8. Now let us start the question. 2x square, I already told you 2 is a square of under root 2, so I can easily write this. Y square, you don't have to worry, y square is a square of y. And 8, I told you 8 is a square of 2 root 2, so you can put there 2 root 2, साथ में आपका z आ जाएगा. Now I have to write x as minus x, so I put minus in this bracket. Now this act as our A, this act as our B, and this act as our C. Now you can write it as A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB. 2AB. Again you have to write 2BC. B is our Y and C is our 2 root 2Z plus 2CA. C is our 2 root 2Z and A is our minus 2 root x. Now this is the way. You can easily see that when you multiply this, 2 root 2 becomes minus 2 root 2 xy, this comes out. When you multiply this, 2y into 2, 4y root 2 as it is z, this comes out. When you multiply this, 2 2s are 4, 4 root 2, 2, 4 into 2, 8, this comes out. Now I can put it in the form a plus b plus c whole square. Our a is minus root 2x, b is y, and our c is 2 root 2z. Now I can easily factorize this. I already told you x square can be written as x into x. So suppose this is our x, so I can write it in the way minus 2 root x plus y plus 2 root 2z, and another way minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z. I can explain you again. I have to factorize this. First I see in the last three terms which variable is common with the negative sign. I find that the variable is x, so I can write it as minus x throughout this factorization. I can explain you 2 or 3 these things. Under root 2 square is 2 and 2 root 2 square is 8. How? 2 square is 4 and under root 2 square is 2. When you multiply 4 with 2, you will definitely get 8. Now I start the question. 2 is a square of under root 2. X is a square of x square. So I can write it in this way. Y square this and 8. 2 root 2 z square. Now I have to write x minus x instead of x, so I write this as minus. This acts as our a, this acts as our b, and this acts as our c. Now again applying the formula a square plus b square plus c square. Here comes out to be 2ab 2bc, 2ca. Now student, it become a formula of minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2x. If we solve this by using the formula, we will definitely get this. So we have to reverse the process. When we reverse the process, we will get this. And you know that x square can be written as x into x. So I can write this. This is our factors. Thank you.